Now we have to start the problems based on KCL. So this is the first problem. So from this network we have to calculate the value of the current I5, that is I1, I2, I3, I4, I6, I7, I8 and different values of currents are given, but we do not know the value of I5. We have to calculate by using KCL concept. So this is previously occurred SSC JE question, SSC JE question. At node A by KCL, at node A, what is the KCL equation? That is I1 is entering plus I2 is entering current should be taken as positive, right, plus what about I3? I3 is also entering, so positive. From this node I4 is leaving, which is equals to I4, like this. Okay, I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equals to I4. So what is the value of I1 2 plus what is the value of I2 4 plus I3 is 5, which is equals to I4. Therefore the value of I4 should be equals to what? 11 amps. I4 is 11 amps, clear. Next, at node B, that is I4 is entering, I5 is leaving plus I6 also leaving, but what about this? This is also leaving, but we do not know the current, right. So from this the entering current is, for example, this is Ix. Ix is equals to I7 plus I8. So 4 plus 3 is equals to 7 amps. So this is what? 7, right. So this is 7. 7 can be split into what? 4 and 3. That's it. At this KCL satisfied. So this is 7. So from this I4 is what? 11 we got, I5 we don't know, plus I6 is 2 plus I7, that is 7. From this I5 which is equals to 11 minus 3, 11 minus 9, sorry, I5 is equals to 2 amps. So this is the required answer for us. Next we have to discuss this second problem. So this is the very important problem. So from this problem we have to conclude some important observations. So from this given circuit we have to calculate the magnitude as well as the direction of unknown currents. Given the currents are I1, I3, I5, I7. So therefore the unknown currents are what? First we have to write the unknown currents. The unknown currents are what? I1 is given, therefore I2 is unknown current, I2. Next I4, I5 is given, I6 and I8. So now we have to calculate this unknown currents and their magnitude as well as their direction. Okay. Solution. So before starting the problem, first we have to put our nodes, that is, this is node A, this is node B, this is node C and this is node D. Okay. For clear observation, then so this is what? Simple block, right? That is so in this we have network, entering current is I1, leaving current is I8. What is KCL? The entering current should be equals to leaving current, no. So by KCL entering current should be equals to entering current equals to leaving current, right. Therefore, what is the value of entering current? That is I1, which is equals to what? I8. What is the value of I1? given 20 amps. So, I1 is equals to 20, obviously I8 is also 20 amps. This is the first unknown current. This is the first unknown current. Okay. Next, at node A, what is the entering current? I1, I2 is also leaving, I3 is also leaving. So, I1 is entering, which is equals to leaving current I2 plus I3. So, what is the value of I1 given, that is 20 amps, 20, which is equals to, what is the value of I2, we do not know, we have to calculate I2 plus I3 is given, that is 4 amps, that is 4. So, from this I2 is equals to what? 16 amps. From this I2 is equals to what? 16. So, we got I8 and I2. So, I2 completed, I8 completed. Next, at node B, so at this node entering current is I2, I4, that is it, and the leaving currents are I5 and I6. See, at this node I2 is entering, I4 is also entering, I5 is leaving, I6 also leaving. So, that is I2 plus I4 is also entering, which is equals to I5 plus I6, that is it. So, I2 is there, I4 we do not know, I5 is there, I6 we do not know. So, what is the value of I2? That is 16 plus I4 is we do not know, which is equals to, what is the value of I5? 6 plus I6 we do not know. So, from this I4 minus I6, or it is better to write I6 minus I4, which is equals to 10, So, this is assumed as equation 1. Okay. Next, at node C, I3 is entering, I5 is entering, I4 and I7 are leaving, that is I3, I5, I3 plus I5, which is equals to I4 plus I7. So, from this I3 is given as 4 plus I5 is what? I5 is given as 6, which is equals to I4 we do not know, plus what is the value of I7, which is equals to 2. So, from this 10, which is equals to I4 plus 2. So, from this I4 is equals to 8 amps. So, I4 is equals to 8 amps. Substitute I4 in equation 1. Therefore, I6 minus I4 equals to 10. Therefore, I6 minus 8 is equals to 10. Therefore, I6 is equals to 18 amps. Therefore, I6 is equals to 18 amps. Clear? So, at node C, at node, so this is D C. So, I am assuming this is C, that is why I wrote that equation. So, just you have to take some modifications, that is C, this is D. Next, at node D, I6 entering, I7 is also entering, I5, I8 is leaving, I6 plus I7, which is equals to I8. What is the value of I6? That is 18 plus what is the value of I7? That is 2, which is equals to I8. What is the value of I8? Which is equals to 20 amps. See, from this observation I8 equals 20 amps. From the calculations, what is the value of I8? Which is also 20 amps. So, KCL satisfied. At any node, KCL satisfied. So, these are the magnitudes of I2, I4, I6 and I8. So, I6, I8, I2 and I8. What is the value of I4? So, these are the magnitudes. Then what about the directions? The given directions in the problem are correct, because we got positive value of currents, no, plus 20, plus 16, plus 8, plus 18, plus 20. So, the given current directions in the circuit are correct. Okay. We can consider as positive current directions, positive current directions. Now, from the given circuit of the second problem, I am going to make some modifications in the circuit. Then we have to see the observations. What are the observations that we are going to see? We have to discuss. So, now I am going to change the current directions of I2, I4 and I6. I am going to change the current directions of I2, I4 and I6. Then what are the observations? So, before that we have to write that the given obtained values, that is I2 is 16 amps, I4 is 8 amps, I6 is 18 amps and I8 is 20 amps. These are the values of currents that we have got from that previous problem. So, now I am going to change the current directions of I2, that is it is upward direction, now it is considered as downward direction. What about I4? Now it is downward direction. What about I6? Now it is what? Like this. Okay. Just change the directions of I2, I4, I6. So, before that by KCL the entering current is I1, leaving current is I8. So, KCL satisfied, I8 should be equals 20 amps, no problem. At node A, at this node I1 entering plus I2 is also entering, I1 entering, I2 entering. What about I3? I3 is leaving. So, from this I1 is given as 20 plus I2 we do not know, I3 is given as what? 4. So, from this I2 is equals to what? 4 minus 20, I2 is equals to what? Minus 16 amps. I2 is equals to what? Minus 16 amps. So, next at node B, entering current is I6 only. At node 6, I6 is entering current, remaining all current, that is I2 plus I4 plus I5. These are leaving. So, what is the value of I6? We do not know. What is the value of I2? We got minus 16 plus I4 is what? We do not know. What is the value of I5? That is 6. So, from this I6 is equals to I4 minus 10. I4 minus 10, right? At node B, I6 is equals to I4 minus 10. Then at node C, I3, I4, I5 are entering, I7 is leaving. So, I3 plus I4 plus I5 which is equals to I7. So, what is the value of I3? That is 4. I4 we do not know, I5 is given as 6 which is equals to I7 is 2. So, from this I4 equals to what? 2 minus 10. So, I4 is equals to minus 8 amps. I4 is what? Minus 8. So, substitute this I4 value into this, we got I6 is equals to minus 8 minus 10, minus 8 minus 10 which is equals to I6 is equals to minus 18 amps. So, by changing the current directions of I2, I4 and I6, what are the observations? Previously we got I2 as plus 16, now we got minus 16, I4 as 8 amperes there, now it is minus 8 amperes. What about I6? There that is plus 18, now it is minus 18, minus 18. What about I8? 20, 20, satisfied. But coming to these cases I2, I4 and I6, by changing the current directions of this, we are going to get the negative value of the current. Is there any change in the magnitude of current? There is no change in the magnitude of current by assuming different current directions. Previously we got positive current direction, that is why we got positive values of currents, unknown currents. Now we have to change the current directions of I2, I4 and I6. The unknown currents values we are getting as negative. Is there any change in the magnitude, there is no change in the magnitude. So, the current assumption of current direction will not influence the magnitude of current. So, whatever may be the current direction, whether it is positive or negative, or it is clockwise or anti-clockwise, there is no change in the magnitude of current. There is no change in the magnitude of current. This is the very important observation. That is, what is the observation? Whatever may be the current direction, that is positive or negative, that is clockwise or anti-clockwise. Whatever may be the current direction, that is positive direction or negative direction, that is clockwise direction or anti-clockwise, the change in current direction could not influence the magnitude of current in the circuit. So, whatever may be the current direction, it could not influence the magnitude of current. See, the magnitude is nothing but I times only, but this minus sign represents what? That is the direction of currents, that is it, but the magnitude is same. This is a very important observation from this problem. Next problem is the current through 120 ohm resistor in the circuit shown in figure is what? So, this is the circuit. From this we have to calculate the current through this 120 ohms branch resistor. So, these are the options 1 amp, 2 amp, 3 and 4. This is the problem which is asked in SSC JEE, okay, which is also asked in SSC JEE. Okay. So, we have to calculate the current. So, this is the node. At this node we have to apply KCL, that is solution. For example, this node A. At node A. So, see the current direction it is, for example, this is I1, this is I2, now this is I3. Sir, how can you consider that is downward direction? Can I consider upward direction? Obviously, we should consider this direction or this direction. From the previous problem, we can concluded that whatever may be the current direction, it could not influence the magnitude of current through this branch. Whatever may be the direction, see the magnitude, that is it. Okay. Here I3 is nothing but leaving. So, at this node I1 is entering, I2 is given, that is leaving, I3 is also leaving. Okay. So, for at this node I1 is entering, which is equals to I2 plus I3. So, what is the value of I1 that is given? 25/7, which is equals to, what is the value of I2, which is equals to 4/7 amps. We do not know the value of I3. So, from this I3 is equals to 25/7 minus 4/7, which is equals to 21/7, which is equals to 21/7 amps, that is equals to 3 amps. So, I3 is equals to 3 amps. Sir, if we consider the direction of I3 like this, see, if we consider upward direction at this node, I1 is entering plus I3 is also entering, I2 is leaving. So, I1 is given as 25/7, I3 we do not know, I2 is what? 4/7, I3 is equals to what? 4/7 minus 25/7, which is equals to what? Minus 20/7, which is equals to minus 3 amps. See, Here if we consider downward direction, we got 3 amps. If we consider upward direction, that is minus 3 amps. Is there any change in the magnitude of current? There is no change in the magnitude of current, that is it. Now we have clear idea. Then the option is, third option, 3 amps of current through this 120 ohms branch. Okay, like this you have to solve the problem. Next, the 3 element circuit elements, this is the problem which is asked in GATE 2014, which is asked in GATE 2014. The 3 circuit elements shown in figure are part of an electric circuit. The total power absorbed by the 3 circuit elements in watts is what? So, this problem is based on application of KCL. So, given 100 volt voltage source, 80 volt voltage source and 15 volt voltage source at this node, given the currents of this 100 volt voltage source is 10 amps, like that 80 volt voltage source is 8 amps. So, at node by KCL, for example, this is I1, this is I2, this is I3. I3 can be our wish. So, given this is like this, I2 is like this. Now, here I am considering leaving. At any case, my assumption is downward, leaving from the node. I am considering any circuit, I am considering the current direction, means unknown current direction is leaving from the node. Okay. So, from this I1 is entering, which is equals to I2 plus I3, right. So, I1 is what? 10, which is equals to I2 8 given, that is I3 we do not know, I3. So, from this I3 is equals to what? 2 amps. From this I3 is equals to 2 amps. So, from this I1 minus I2 minus I3 is equals to 0. The summation of currents at this node equals to 0, that is KCL. But he wants the total power absorbed by the 3 circuit elements in watts, but the total summation of currents is 0 at this node, that is KCL. But see the voltage source voltage value. Here for the first voltage source voltage value is 100 volts, here it is 80, here it is 15. So, if we multiply it with voltage and current, the summation need not be equals to 0, because this voltage source values are different. This voltage source values are different. That is why, therefore, power absorbed by 3 elements is equals to V1 into I1 minus V2 into I2 minus V3 into I3, that is it. The summation of currents is equal to 0, but the product of summation of powers is not equal to 0. Why? For each and every voltage source is having different voltage value. So, which is equals to what? 100 into 10 minus 80 into 8 minus what is the value of V3? 15 into I3 is nothing but 2. So, 1000 minus 640 minus 30. So, the total power absorbed is 330 watts. Total power absorbed is equals to 330 watts. This is the answer. So, already what given, no? The total power in circuit elements in watts is 330. So, this is the previously asked problem in GATE 2014. Now, we have to discuss this problem. So, this is the problem which is asked in GATE 2003. So, from this circuit we have to calculate the voltage across inductor, that is we have to calculate VL provided VR and VC, that is it. Okay. So, this is the node, at node. So, we can assume this is the current I1, this is I2, this is I3, this is I4. Okay. Or you should the current through this resistive branch is nothing but IR, this is IL, this is IC, it is better, right. This is simple I. Okay. At node this I is entering, IR is also entering, IL is leaving, IC is leaving. So, I plus IR which is equals to IL plus IC, clear. So, what is the value of I? It is given as 2 which is equals to IR we do not know as it is. What about IL? We do not know, plus IC we do not know. So, to get this is the equation, this is the equation by KCL. So, from this IR should be equals to what? This can be assumed as equation 1. Okay. From this IR equals to what? VR by 5, VR by 5. From this IR equals to VR by 5. We all know that VR equals to what? Given as 5, that is 5 by 5. From this IR is equals to 1 ampere. So, from this IR equals to 1 ampere, clear. Next we have to calculate IL, but in order to calculate VL we need IL. So, from this we have to calculate IL, later we have to calculate VL. So, first we have to calculate IC. IC equals to what? C into dVc by dt. So, from this IC is equals to what? What is the value of C? Given as 1 farad. 1 into d by dt of what is the value of Vc? It is given as 4 sin 2t. 4 sin 2t. So, from this IC is equals to what? Differentiation of 4 sin 2t is nothing but what? 4 into 2 sin 2t differentiation cos 2t, cos 2t, which is equals to IC is equals to 8 cos 2t. So, we have IR, IC and I. So, from this we are going to calculate IL. So, equation 1 implies from this we have to calculate IL. IL is equals to what? From this 2 plus IR minus IC. So, which is equals to 2 plus IR value is what? 1 minus IC is what? 8 cos 2t. 8 cos 2t. From this IL is equals to 3 minus 8 cos 2t amps. This is the value of inductive current. Now, we have to calculate voltage, determine VL, no? The voltage across inner. Therefore, VL is equals to, we all know that L into d IL by dt, right. So, VL is equals to, what is the value of L? Which is nothing but 2 Henry. 2 into d by dt of what is the value of IL? That is 3 minus 8 cos 2t. So, which is equals to VL, which is equals to 2 into differentiation of constant term is 0 minus into 0 minus differentiation of 8 cos 2t is nothing but what? 8 is constant, that is 8 cos 2t differentiation nothing but minus sin 2t, minus sin 2t, that is it. So, from this cos 2t differentiation is sin 2t into 2, sorry, minus 2, right, minus 2 sin 2t we got. Okay. So, 2 is constant, differentiation of constant is 0, minus 8 is constant, cos 2t differentiation is nothing but minus sin 2t, and this is the constant, no, 2. So, finally, VL is equals to 2 into minus of minus plus 8 into 16, 16 into 2, 32, 32 sin 2t volts, 32 sin 2t. This is the answer. VL equals to what? 32 sin 2t.